Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best weighted jump rope for beginners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is T-Rich Weighted Jump Rope. This is the best weighted jump rope with a counter you'll be able to find on the market. This model comes with an anti-slip handle that is perfect for a more comfortable experience. The rope is made of the highest quality PVC and silicone. This weighted jump rope comes with an adjustable rope length. You can extend the rope up to 9.8 feet, 2.9 meters. This weighted jump rope is a durable option. It will withstand daily use and will resist bending and deformation. Overall, you'll get many benefits if you choose this weighted jump rope with counters. You'll improve your coordination, burn calories in no time, boost your mental health, and tone your muscles. This jump rope's biggest drawback is its lightweight rope and handle, making it less convenient for long-term training. Its counter is a great motivator that will push your training to the next level. Number 2. Our second best pick is Crossrope Get Lean Weighted Jump Rope Set. This is our top pick as it offers everything you'll need to achieve your goals in less time. The model allows you to switch from 2 different cable rope weights, making it easy to adjust the rope to your level. Its design will help you deal with unnecessary tangling and enable you to perform various training methods. You can use this weighted jump rope to complement your boxing training, soccer, swimming, running, and more. It is one of the best adjustable weighted jump ropes in the market. The main drawback with this adjustable weighted jump rope is its price. However, you are paying for durability. As long as you treat it properly, you won't need to replace it anytime soon. This weighted jump rope also includes a training app that works perfectly with Android and iOS. The app has a high rating in the Play Store and App Store, and over 80,000 people worldwide use it. Another impressive feature of the model is its ergonomic handle. It is comfortable and optimizes the grip for a better training experience. This model jump rope and app will get you to your fitness goals quicker than any other product on this list. The ropes are heavy but thin, making the skipping faster, which is an excellent feature. Number 3. Our third best pick is Proud Panda Heavy Jump Rope. This is our top heavy-duty pick due to its durability, weight, length, and diameter. These combine to give you the best possible equipment for high-intensity training. It is made of high-density polyester, making it harder and more durable than other weighted jump ropes on the market. The heavy jump rope will enable you to lose weight faster, and its design will help you tone up your muscles in no time. It is, without a doubt, one of the best weighted jump ropes you can find. This model does not come with many drawbacks, but there are minor inconveniences. For example, even though the rope is of the highest quality, the handles do not have the same resistance. Another thing to keep in mind is that the length of the rope is not the longest. Therefore, if you are a tall person, you should get a bigger model. The handle of the rope is made of soft plastic for better comfort. Its design will help you improve your balance, burn more calories, and develop your muscles. It can also boost your health and will enhance your agility and coordination. This jump rope is an excellent all-around, heavyweight jump rope that is designed to last. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Pulse Athletics Weighted Jump Rope. This is an excellent tool for beginners, experienced users, and anyone who wants to start this high-intensity training. Its length can be adjusted to your height, and the rope is made of an excellent, quality rubber that prevents tangling. This jump rope includes a memory foam handle for the most comfortable experience for you. The company also offers a lifetime warranty, which makes this a unique weighted jump rope option. It is a perfect option for complementing fitness workouts, cardio training, Crossfit, speed training, and martial arts. This weighted jump rope model is the best jump rope with weighted handles. One of the main drawbacks of this weighted jump rope is its design. The model is not precisely a weighted jump rope but a weighted handle with ropes, something to keep in mind if you are looking for a weighted jump rope specifically. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is N1 Fit Weighted Jump Rope. It is an excellent weighted jump rope that will help you burn twice the calories than with a speed jump rope. It is your best choice to complement HIIT workout, interval training, boxing, and CrossFit. The weight and design are also great for toning up muscles, especially glutes and shoulders. It is a premium quality weighted jump rope made of superior materials. The cable is 100% tangle-free, and you can adjust its length to your liking. The handle is made of memory foam for better comfort, making this model one of the best weighted jump ropes for beginners. The memory foam handle can be too big for someone with small hands, and with time it will begin tangling. When buying this rope, make sure that the handle is comfortable and fits the size of your hand. A grip that is too big or too small will make training harder than it should be. This jump rope is an affordable and comfortable jump rope, perfect for sweaty, high-intensity workouts. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.